Hi guys, today we're going to talk a little bit about WhatsApp widgets, and what I'm going to share with you today is how you prevent your WhatsApp widget from automatically opening. And just to give you a heads up about what I'm talking about, let's just have a look at the website of one of our clients. And this right here is what I'm talking about. You see, this WhatsApp widget is automatically opening, and we're going to have a look at how to prevent this so you don't have to close it. This is a website of one of our users who sell a lot of amazing products and generally have an overall very beautiful and very good website. So how do we prevent this from automatically opening? First of all, to find this answer, we're going to go to our website, tuchat.be, and we're going to log in. You see, there we go. And then you're going to want to go to widgets, where you created your widget in the first place, and you want to choose the right one, like the one you have on your website, the one you want to change. Then you get here, and what you want to do now is go to design. So here in design you can do a lot of amazing things for your widget. Like let's say that this is how it looks like on my webpage. As you see, this is open now. So you see the agents and the picture and the logo and the icon and the color. Here you can change the color. Here you can change the animation. And here you can add a banner, you can add a theme, light, dark, default. You can do a lot of things in here. But what we want to do is show you how you prevent it from opening automatically. And what you want to do is you want to go here where it says show widget opened on page load. As you see, this is off, which is why it doesn't automatically open. So what our clients probably have is this. So as you see, if I press this and press submit, it opens automatically. So what you want to do if you want to prevent this from happening is simply just switch this off and press submit. Because now, as you see, it doesn't automatically open. So that's basically how you do it, and remember to press submit when you've done it, otherwise it won't save the change. So that's how you do it. I hope this was helpful, and I will see you guys later.